Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the number of vowels in a given string using a regex in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's write the command to check the final output. Py count vowels regex, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice I got a string here. I'm adding my name is capital letters, also I'm adding Charan. When I click enter, this is the original string. From this string I found these are the vowels, and the number of vowels found in the given string is 5. The length is 5. For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder, which is a Python tutorials, and here our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I will create one new Python file called count vowels using regex.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is opened. Now my aim is count number of vowels in a given string using regex functionality. So first, when we are implementing regex, we need to import the RE module. Then I am declaring string 1 is equals to input, enter the string. After that, now the next step, I need to compare whatever the string we have entered with the vowels characters. So I am defining one variable called vowels is equals to re.findAll method. In this findAll method I am adding between double quotes a, e, I, o, u. So I am separating the characters with a pipe symbol a, e, I, o, u, and also the capital letters a, e, I, o, u with pipe. Then I need to compare with the second parameter is a string, which is str1. That's it. After that, first let's print the original string str1. After that, print the number of vowels found in a given string is equals to, I am adding vowels. We require the length of vowels. Let's print the vowels also. That's it. We have done the complete coding part to find the vowels a, e, I, o, u, whether it's a lowercase or uppercase within a given string using regex functionality. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal. And here we got the terminal. Now let's write the command to check the final output. Py count vowels regex, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice I got a string here. I'm adding my name is capital letters, also I'm adding Charan. When I click enter, this is the original string. From this string I found these are the vowels, and the number of vowels found in the given string is 5. The length is 5. That's it. In this video tutorial I have showed how to count the number of vowels in a given string using regex. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.